everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Kutty Riya. Today I'm going to start a new series. It's called Science with Kutty Riya. Today we're going to do an experiment called Colorful Fountain. Together we can do simple and interesting science experiments. We can learn and have fun doing these experiments with our friends and families. If you like these kind of fun experiments, subscribe to my channel. Before doing this experiment, let me change you to a scientist. Ta-da! For doing this experiment, we need the following things: detergent, water, citric acid, and baking soda. 3 color pigments, 3 test tubes. Before starting the experiment, make sure you have a clean surface and an adult with you. Step 1. Add 3/4 of the tube with water. I have 15 ml tubes. I'm going to fill it until 11 ml. Step 2. Add 3 spoons of citric acid and stir well. Step 3. Add 10 drops of detergent. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now stir it well. Now add 10 drops of pigment in each tube. First, I'm going to use the color red. Now I'm going to use the color green. Now I'm going to use the color blue. Now stir it well. Add 3 spoons of baking soda through a funnel. I'm going to do this one by one. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. I am very excited. Do this and quickly remove the funnel. Wow! Did you see the red color fountain? It was so awesome. Now I'm going to make the green color fountain. Wow, did you see the green color fountain? Now let me do the blue color fountain. This is the last fountain. Did you see the blue color fountain? It was so awesome. Now let me explain the science behind this experiment. Baking soda reacts with the citric acid to produce a large amount of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a gas. The carbon dioxide gas dissolves the detergent and makes a lot of bubbles. These bubbles come out of the tube, causing the colorful fountain. Here are some facts about carbon dioxide. It has no odor, so you cannot smell it, and it has no taste. Photosynthesis is a process of converting carbon dioxide and water into oxygen that is helping us to live. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas, which means it can trap and retain heat. That is why we should not have more carbon dioxide in our atmosphere. Earth only has 0.05% of carbon dioxide, but it's still very hot. Do you know the hottest planet in our solar system? It is Venus. It has 97% of carbon dioxide. The temperature in Venus is 467 degrees. It is very hot there. One way to reduce carbon dioxide is to plant more trees. Trees can convert carbon dioxide into oxygen. I hope you liked the video and learned some science. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. Give a thumbs up to the video and comment what you liked about the video. Make sure you do this experiment with your friends and family. I'll see you all in another video. Bye bye.